How to send USDT from OKX to Binance. So in order to send USDT from OKX, first of all, of course, you need to download the OKX application on your device. After downloading it, simply log in into your account and open the app. After that, after opening the app, you just need to simply go to assets, and after going to assets, you will be able to see the amount of USD that you have on your account. You can't see it on my account right now since I have not verified my account, so I'm just gonna briefly tell you on how you can do it. After that, you need to simply select on withdraw. Once you reach there, it will show you all of the cryptos that you have in your account. And among those cryptos, you just need to tap on USDT. After that, it will show you withdrawal process, 3 of the options that are on chain, internal, and fiat. So you just have to select the option of on chain. And there you just need to have to fill out the form they're asking with withdrawal network address and all the address from Binance application. You just need to simply open the Binance application, and from there just copy the withdrawal network and address and copy and paste it on OKX. After that, you may simply go with the USDT sending process by entering the amount and tap on submit. After that, that's how you basically send USDT from OKX to Binance by following those steps. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.